Welcome to ChiliRoad, this time in beautiful Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We're kicking things off in Bukit Bintang, also known as Arab Street, with a stop at the famous Damascus shawarma spot. On my very first night here, the place was absolutely packed. So I decided to skip the line and order via Grab on the next day. I had it the next morning for breakfast and honestly, not bad at all. Their most popular dishes are the wraps and grilled chicken. Both solid choices. Flavor-wise, it's good, but I didn't quite get the full hype. Here's my quick breakdown. Spicy level, 1 out of 5, very mild. Portion size, 2 out of 5, kinda small. Taste, 3 out of 5, decent but not amazing. Location, can't really judge since I didn't eat on site. Price, $17 for 2 mains and a drink. Overall, it's a 3 out of 5. Good food, solid quality, but not a must visit in my opinion. Wow, as you just saw, Little India Brickfields really feels like you're right in the heart of India. And at the beginning of Brickfields, there's this hidden gem, Jam Restaurant in Brickfields. I started with chicken tandoori as a starter and went for the house special chicken masala as my main. Looks tasty. It's a small place but with real, authentic Indian vibes. Let's jump into the food review. At Gem Restaurant, the spicy level was just 1 out of 5. But just I asked for chopped chili on the side. The portion size was definitely on the smaller side, but the taste, super flavorful. I'd give it a 4 out of 5. The location has that real, authentic Indian vibe. Nothing fancy, just pure comfort. I had 2 mains, a side and a drink, all for $19, which is fair. Overall, 4 out of 5. If you're craving Indian food in KL, this is your place to go. After soaking in the amazing vibes of Chinatown, I headed to the Restaurant Pik Wah, a well-known Chinese spot that's been awarded Michelin stars for the past 3 years. Right off the bat, super friendly service, and they don't hold back on the chilies. You get freshly chopped chili right at the table. Awesome! The concept of the restaurant is great for sharing with multiple people. The dishes are placed in the center, and there's a rotating tray so everyone can easily reach all the food. A lovely concept. I ordered 1 main dish and a side. their signature chicken dish wrapped in fried egg, packed with vegetables, chicken, and yes, a lot of chilies. Here's how I'd rate it. Spicy level, 2 out of 5. Already chopped chili on the table when arrived. Portion size, it looked small, but it filled me up completely. Taste, 3 out of 5. Good, not mind-blowing. Location, 2 out of 5. Big noisy hall, nothing special. Price, $20 for the full meal. Overall, a solid 3 out of 5. Not bad at all, but not a must-visit either. Our next stop was Heun Claypot chicken rice, just a short walk from the iconic Merdeka 118, the second tallest building in the world. This place is famous for what many say is the best clay pot chicken rice in all of Kuala Lumpur. It's served in a very traditional way, and there's almost always a small line outside waiting for a table. The food looks absolutely mouth-watering. And yes, this spot has even earned multiple Michelin mentions. There are actually 2 areas, one air-conditioned and one with just fans. I went for the large portion of their signature chicken clay pot rice. And let me tell you, I had to ask for extra chili 3 times to get it spicy. The chicken was tender, the rice had perfect texture, and that crispy layer at the bottom, just amazing. Add some vegetables on the side and you've got yourself a killer local meal. Here's the food review. Spicy level, 1 out of 5, but only because I asked for extra chili. Otherwise, it would be 0. Portion size, 3 out of 5. Solid portion if you go for the large. Taste, 4 out of 5. Absolutely delicious. The best clay pot in town. Location, 3 out of 5. Simple but nice atmosphere. Price, $11 for a large main, a side and a drink. Super fair. Overall, 4 out of 5. If you want to try real clay pot chicken rice in KL, this is the place to go. After all that savory food, I had to try Durian, the king of fruits. I found a great spot right in the heart of Chinatown and went for a fresh Malaysian durian. No food rating this time, because honestly, if you don't try it, you'll never know. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried durian. Like and subscribe ChiliRoad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.